Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Grace with the Grit, and today I will be taking us round again, this time around out of London. I intend to visit Cambridge, so I'll be taking you along. It's going to be a road trip. It's going to not too long, really, just about an hour 30 minutes from where I am at the moment. So currently I had to stop at Asda to fuel the car, and then I'll go shopping a little bit before I, embark on the trip. Hopefully you guys enjoy this second vlog, and I'll speak to you again soon. Hi guys, this is Grace with the Grit. Welcome back. The past 6 hours has been a very long one for me, so I decided to take a road trip to Cambridge, and it's been such a gloomy day. I think I made a big mistake by not checking my weather app before I travel, so that is just something I want to put out there. Before you make any trip, or you based in UK, please check the weather app. I just recently visited a cathedral. It was amazing inside. So follow me, let's get going. So guys, this field, I just did a little bit of history and research, and I asked around. I couldn't film those guys because they didn't want to be filmed. So apparently this field is where football was born in Cambridge. I don't know how many hundreds of years ago, but yes, apparently this is where football was first played in Cambridge. And he did mention that somewhere down there, down that way, you have a lot of foreigners living there. So while walking, across town, I did notice a lot of Chinese shops actually. Chinese, Korean, Indian, Thai, a lot of Chinese shops across that street. And down that way, apparently, is the city center. So I'm going to take you guys down that way as well. So he said if you come to Cambridge and you don't go down that road, then you've not been to Cambridge, so we have to go down that road. So behind me, somewhere behind, you'll have the Cambridge Fire Station and some other popular buildings. Yes, so I'll just keep taking you guys around. So guys, there are a number of things I have noticed so far in Cambridge, and the major thing I did notice is the fact that people cycle a lot. I would say 40% of their population, they are all on bikes. That's something, that really struck me. But it is a good thing because it means the roads are not congested. Yeah, so that's something else I noticed. However, the roads are very small. So I did notice that it's a two-lane roads everywhere. And well, it does reduce the risk of accidents, I would say, but it just makes Cambridge look small. I know in general Cambridge is an old city, but then anyway, it's a first experience for me, so I do enjoy what I'm seeing. It's not bad at all. Something else I did notice is that on roads in London where people drive on 30 miles per hour, here it's 20. Like the car is literally moving so slow and you're thinking, when will I get there? Again, precautions, risk of accidents is reduced, so that is good. But then the city is small and everyone is slow. But yeah, so I'm going to take you guys through the city center now because I'm very close to the city center. So yes. So guys, I was absolutely not permitted to go into the university, so no one could enter except if you're a student, because I think the timing was wrong. It was around 5:30 and they were about to have a program or something like that, so they only permitted students at this point. So guys, the Museum of Archaeology and Anthropology was definitely the most creepy thing I have seen in a long while. Yeah, but it did wrap up my experience at Cambridge. So if you did enjoy this vlog, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and share with your friends. If you would like to see more vlogs on my channel, let me know and I will be sure to do just that. So that's it. Thanks a lot for your time. If you've watched it up to this end, you are super amazing. Do give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Bye.